Once you turn 50, something shifts. You are still active, and wiser than ever, but your focus changes toward family, health, and using your time and money more meaningfully. And yes, that includes tax time. Today, let's explore the top tax deductions for over 50s in FY 2026. But instead of just numbers, let's do it through real stories. Because behind every deduction, there's a life being lived wisely. Meet Helen. She's 58, living in sunny Brisbane. After retiring from full-time nursing, she now works part-time and volunteers with a local charity. This year, Helen drove over 1,200 kilometers, helping with events and fundraisers. She didn't know it, but many of those travel costs, along with printing flyers and buying small supplies, could be claimed. If you're volunteering and covering costs yourself, keep those receipts. With proper records, volunteer-related expenses can be deductible. And then there's Leanne, 55. From Adelaide. She's been caring for her grandson 2 days a week, so her daughter can return to work. While it's not a formal business, Leanne is now considering registering a small family daycare from home next year. Why? Because legitimate home-based care businesses can claim expenses like a portion of household bills, toys, educational materials, and even food. She may not be there yet, but she's thinking ahead. Planning with purpose, that's what your 50s are for. And now, here are a few more commonly missed deductions for over 50s. Private health insurance premiums. Check your eligibility for the rebate. Income protection insurance deductible if paid outside super. Fees for financial advice if it relates to income-producing investments. Subscriptions, tools, and work-related training, they all count. And don't forget charitable donations to registered charities, especially if giving is part of your life. Tax isn't just about what you owe, it's about what your time and effort are truly worth. Whether you're starting something new, supporting family, or simply enjoying a slower rhythm, your life experience deserves to be rewarded. So this tax season, don't just lodge, plan. Speak to a trusted accountant. Keep good records. And remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can use on you. This is your golden time. Let's live it gracefully, wisely, and fully.